Top 5 mistakes for newbie solar panel cleaners. What up guys? It's Chris, solar panel cleaning expert and the founder of the Solar Panel Cleaning Friends community. Well, alright there cleaners, we're about to go out and clean some solar panels. First guys, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you get a notification every single time we put out a new video here on the Solar Panel Cleaning Friends channel. Cleaning with a squeegee. For some reason, I don't know why, people seem to think that they need to go ahead and clean solar panels with a squeegee, which is just kind of ridiculous in my opinion. Now, it kind of goes along with a little bit more that we're going to be talking about in this list, but basically, you're not doing anything. Now, what's harmful about it is you can go ahead and pick up some rocks that can scratch the surface of that solar panel very easily. So we don't use squeegees beyond the fact that it's just kind of pointless and ridiculous. Cleaning with regular tap water. This is not the smartest thing. In fact, this is the dumbest thing. You don't clean solar panels with regular water. Unfortunately, not everybody knows that. A lot of people don't know that you're not supposed to use regular water when cleaning solar panels.
Some people think they can get their garden hose and plug it into their water spigot and just spray the heck out of them solar panels.
When in reality, this isn't true. We need to use pure water when cleaning solar panels. Overpricing or underpricing. It's important to know what your profit margin is and what your cost factor so that you're able to come up with the proper pricing structure for your solar panel cleaning. Cleaning agents. We don't use cleaning agents to clean solar panels. There are no soaps, there are no detergents, there are no bleach, there are nothing like that to clean solar panels. In fact, all we use is pure water. Pure water is all that is used to clean solar panel. Scratching a solar panel or scratching the arc, the anti-reflective coating. Like I said in the first one, we do not use squeegees, and we don't use squeegees to clean solar panels because it leaves the solar panel vulnerable to scratches. It is too easy to go ahead and pick up a rock with a squeegee and just squeegee along. You can easily scrape that solar panel and cause a problem, and that's an issue, and causing even further issues, reducing the solar panel energy. Who knows? Whatever. I guess it's not who knows, but who you do. Okay. And that's top 5 mistakes for newbie solar panel cleaners.